Alrighty, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Just getting home from work. Just stopped at the grocery store as well. And today is Taco Tuesday. So we're going to be trying to make some steak tacos today. I texted my wife because I know she's not really a big fan of steak tacos. Whenever we go out to a Mexican restaurant, she usually gets like a chimichanga or enchilada. So I texted her and made sure this was okay. So we got steak, tomato, cilantro, avocado, limes, and the shells. So we're going to be slapping that on the grill and hope it turns out well. Happy Taco Tuesday, everyone, and let's dive on in. All right, everyone, so we are home now. I got two different types of steak. I wasn't really too sure which one my wife would like more, but she went with this one, which is a thinner cut steak, little strips of it. So we're gonna slap that on the grill, and I also forgot I have a couple of these. So this is a steak kebab with red and green peppers, and I also got these ones, these chicken kebabs. So we're gonna slap them on the grill as well, eat them as leftovers. Main course is gonna be steak tacos for this Taco Tuesday. The ingredients we are gonna be using are steak seasoning. We got limes, tomatoes, avocado. We got our shells, our steak, refried beans, and then the kebabs. I believe that's it. Maybe a little bit of salt and pepper, but that's the ingredients. Gonna be a nice, easy, clean meal today. Alrighty, we're outside now. We got the charcoal in the grill. We're gonna be using this little one again. So we got the charcoal in there, we got the lighter fluid on there. Now time to light it. Here we go, time to light the charcoal. Quick warning, I don't recommend lighting any grill, starting the grill like this. It's kind of sketchy. You never know when it could just blow up in your face, and apparently they don't want to start. You know, we lathered them in lighter fluid. Okay, we can start the video a little bit now. All right, well, this is beautiful, you know? They just don't want to start, they don't want to light. Oh, okay. Oh, no. We got a dud. We got a dud, boys. I think we need some more lighter fluid on this. So we're going to go get some more. It did continue a little bit, so. What the heck? Why is that not? There we go. That's what I'm talking about, boys. All right. Now that the fire is started, that actually looks pretty cool. Now that the fire is started, we're going to wait for those coals to get nice and gray. Then we're going to slap the meat on. By the way, the pool is full. So I'm going to give it maybe one more day for it to get a little warmer. Then we're going to dive on in. I can't wait. Should I jump off? Whee, bloop. That's a far jump. It's a really high jump. I don't think I could do it, but maybe if the pool was a little closer, I would definitely try. I'd definitely try or jump off this ladder, though. I wanted to try to run and jump over it as well. Comment down below if you want to see me try to run and jump over this, and do you think I could jump over this? It's not small, but it's not huge, but let me know. Comment down below, do you think Davvy could jump over that? Alrighty, so we got the steak out of the package. Like I said, it is very thinly sliced. This is a little chunk right there. You can see it's pretty nice and small. So I'm just going to kind of just separate it a little bit so I can get seasoning on it all. So it's not just overly seasoned in one spot and not seasoned enough in the other. Wow, this actually looks like a good chunk of meat. I've never cooked with this type of meat before, but from what I'm knowing, it's going to it's going to cook very quickly on the grill. So we got it all kind of spread out. So like I said, we're going to use steak seasoning, or taco seasoning, steak seasoning. We're going to season it up fairly decent. There we go. Season it up. Season it up. All you're going to do is season it up. Yeah. Let me know in the comments down below, what's your favorite type of taco meat? You just use ground beef, or do you even like tacos? Anything like that, let me know. Personally, I love steak tacos. Now we're going to throw a little salt on there. You'd be surprised to see the amount of salt restaurants and stuff use. So we're going to throw a little pepper on there as well. Okay. Then we're going to just kind of just toss it around, mix it up, get the other halves, or the underside. So you want it to taste like tacos, but we want it to taste like steak as well. So we're just going to throw a little bit more steak seasoning, or why do I keep saying steak seasoning? Taco seasoning on here. Looks like a lot, but it's not. All right, so I think that's good. Now we're going to take this outside with the shish kebabs and slap it on the grill. To start it off, I got the shish kebabs on because they are a thicker cut of meat. I got the chicken more towards the middle. And then we got this steak right here. So like I said, it's going to be kind of hard to throw on there, but I think I'm just going to try to just drop it on there like that in clumps. And I think as it cooks more, it'll be a little easier to move around and without losing through the grill. So I think the best way to cook this type of meat would be on like a flat top grill, not an open flame grill like this. It's not going to be the best, a little difficult, but we're going to make it work. I've been craving some steak tacos. So instead of going out to eat, we're going to make our own. I think this grill is looking phenomenal with all this meat on there. It's all right if we lose some. Like I said, it's a good chunk of meat we got here. All right, so that's what the grill's looking like. Steak can be cooked roughly around 135 degrees Fahrenheit. That'll be for medium rare. Personally, I like it around medium. My wife likes it medium well, so there's no pink. Medium is just the smallest little pink. This I'll probably just cook until it's done for her liking. I'll eat anything really. So we slap that on the grill. We're gonna wait about 6-7 minutes or so. Then we're gonna flip everything over, wait another 6-7 minutes and see how it's looking. Flank steak, which is similar to this steak, takes about 10-ish minutes to cook, so I think we'll be done in no time. I can't wait to eat some steak tacos on this Taco Tuesday. I hope everyone's having a beautiful day. Yesterday we recorded the chicken corn cheesy poppers. So if you haven't seen that, be sure to go check that video out. I filmed and recorded that yesterday. And we're just going to keep knocking these out on the Grillin with Davvy. I'm having a good time. I hope you all are enjoying these. Let me know if you would like to see anything different. Any suggestions, seasonings, meats, veggies, anything like that, let me know and I'll definitely try it out for you guys. All right, everyone, so it's been about 6 minutes or so. This is how we are looking. To be honest, it is looking very, very good. It's looking almost done, so we're gonna have to actually start splitting this meat up, getting the insides to cook, and hope it keeps turning out how it looks, because it's looking really good. Oh, there's a bug on me. There was a bug on me. All right, so this is what I'm working with. I'm kind of just trying to flip the meat over. Actually, let's flip these shish kebabs over as well. Okay, this guy just happens to be pretty stuck right there. There we go. That's looking good. We're getting some nice lines on that chicken. All right, let's try to flip this one over. Oh, this one's not stuck. Bada bang, bada boom. Okay, I don't even know if that flipped. All right, so most of it flipped. There we go. All right, and then flip this one. It's been about 7-8 minutes now, I'd say. This flank for the steak tacos is actually almost done. Shish kebabs could use a little bit longer, so we're going to keep, that's why I'm moving this stuff off to the side. So we're just going to keep cooking that a little bit longer, and I will keep you guys updated. All right, so quick update. I've been flipping and moving stuff around. Chicken ones look pretty much done. The steak ones I feel like I slacked on. So we're going to cook the steak ones a bit more. This steak, however, is pretty much done. I did bring more tinfoil and seasoning out so I could keep the steak seasoned. But this stuff is pretty well done. Just going to give it a couple more minutes and take it off the grill. Quick update. The steak for the tacos is done. The steak for the tacos is complete. Here we go. I will show you a better image of what that looks like inside, but we're just waiting for the steak kebab and chicken kebabs to finish. I'd say just another 2 or 3 minutes, good to go. Then inside we go to cut up the avocado, lime, and tomato. But yeah, hope everyone's having a beautiful day. Hope you're all staying safe, staying happy and positive. I love and appreciate every single one of you. If you made it this far in the video, drop a purple heart in the comments just to let me know. I appreciate that very much. But I hope you're enjoying this video as well. I hope you're enjoying this series, the Grillin' with Davvy. I'm having a blast doing it, so if you guys are enjoying it, I'm enjoying it, and let's get back into it. Inside now, we're gonna start off with 1 lime, 1 tomato, and 1 avocado. So we're gonna slice that up. I don't think you have to cook these tortillas, but personally I like throwing them. Oh, it says heating instructions: preheat skillet or pan to warm, or in a microwave. So I guess it's just if you want it warm. Personally, this is an electric stove. If we had a gas one and we could get a little flame going, I would get these guys a little crisp, but that's all right. We'll just heat them up a little bit. I know my wife just doesn't care if they're hot or cold or whatever, so we're just gonna plate her after we slice it up, and I'll show you what it looks like on the plate. So that wasn't supposed to happen with the avocado. So to cut an avocado, normally you just kind of stick the knife down the middle and then just draw a circle with it, kind of, because there is this seed in the middle. So as you can see, we got more than half of the avocado left, and we got this little slice right here. But that's all right. I don't think she uses too much avocado. I know I like it, so I think this will be perfect. And we could put this back in the fridge to save for another time. So we got the stuff sliced up. The lime was actually really tough to cut too. I don't know what it was. All right, so we got everything cut up. Now time to heat up these tortillas, and plate it up. All right, so with the refried beans, you can either cook these in the microwave or on the stove. Microwave, it takes 2 minutes, so that's the option we're gonna go. I heated up the tortillas. A quick tip, if you would like to know how to keep maybe food or rice, anything like that, from getting dried out, put a wet paper towel over the food. Might sound a little weird, but trust, it will work. If your rice is left over from the day before and it's a little tough or a little hard or something, put it in a bowl, put a piece of wet paper towel over it, and let it do its magic. But now, we're gonna put the refried beans in a bowl, microwave them for 2 minutes, we'll be good to go. I just quickly wanted to show you the skill. Look at that. Cleaned this entire thing out with a knife, and this is the result. The entire chunk right there. Yeah, I've got skill, but I don't like to brag. I'm just kidding, boys. Yeah, M&M's in there. My wife is a big fan. But yeah, so we got the chopped up tomatoes, the lime, the avocado, and I did forget cilantro. So we're gonna chop the cilantro up and get that onto the plate as well, or the cutting board as well. All right, so here we are, the finished product. Take it by the light so you can see it a little better. Actually, that kind of made it a little worse. But either way, there's my steak tacos. We got steak that we cooked on the grill, the avocado, tomato, cilantro, and I did forget we have, or I had taco cheese. So we sprinkled a little bit of that on there with some sour cream under it all. My wife's not too big of a fan of refried beans, so we're just gonna give it to her like this and see what she thinks. So quick update. Before I even got to make my first taco, I go and ask my wife if she liked it. And I would have showed you her reaction and everything, but she is feeding Cora. It's always at the worst times. For some reason, every time we're about to eat, so I guess right around 5, 6:30, right between there, Cora eats. So it's always tough timing. My wife's always feeding Cora when she's eating, but she wanted me to make her a second taco before she even finished her first one. So she got halfway through the first one and told me to make a second one, and she likes it now. She likes these steak tacos now more than original tacos, so that makes me really, really happy. All right, it's my turn to eat now. Sorry if you can hear background noise. I'm sitting in my living room. Got the AC on. You guys hear it during stream, but we got the plate of refried beans, which I tried those. Those are pretty good. Not gonna lie. It was authentic, it said. So we got our plate, steak taco. Got some cheese on there. I didn't use sour cream. I feel like sour cream takes away from some of the flavor, so I'm gonna give you my true first impression of how the steak feels by, like, if it's dry or anything like that, and the taste and everything like that. So here goes nothing. I think this side looked a little better. That's actually really good. That's really good. Yeah. I highly recommend trying this out. Like I said, it was a flat steak meat. It took really, really fast. It cooked really, really fast. Maybe 12 minutes tops. But that is really good. I enjoy it. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. If so, be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. Turn on notifications so you do not miss out on any of these videos or future streams. And I hope you enjoyed. Stay safe, everyone. Stay happy and stay positive. I love you all. Peace.